Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new branch in GitHub using Cursor AI code editor tool. So Cursor AI is AI driven code editor that helps you to write code with the help of AI. So now I have already cloned the GitHub repository and the name of repository is HR files. So let me just go to my GitHub account. So I'm in my GitHub account and the name is HR files and this is the name of my repository. Inside this repository, I have this hr underscore data set.csv file, this file. Okay. Now what I will do, I will create a new branch. So right now the default branch is main branch. There is no other branch. So I will use the Cursor AI tool to create a new branch. So for that, I will go over here in the source control section, and then I will click this more actions, and then I will go to the branch section, and then I will click create branch. After that, I'm going to name this branch as planning, and I will press enter, and then I will click publish branch. So a new branch has been published. Yes, it is published. Now I'm going to see whether a new branch has been created or not. So I will refresh my page and I will show you. Look, a new branch has been created. Now let me just go to my new branch. It's called planning. And now, right now, I'm into my new branch called planning. If I want to go to my main branch, I can also do that. Just click this and just go to my main branch. This is the main branch. Now I'm into my main branch, and again, if I want to go to my new branch, I can easily do that. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the process. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.